Hi everyone, welcome back. So GFG problem of the day today is missing an array. We are given an array ARR of size n minus 1 that contains distinct integers in the range 0 to n inclusive. We have to find the missing element. Array is a permutation of size n with one missing element. We have to return the missing element. So this is the question that we have to do. This is an easy question. So how can we do this? We can just create a Boolean array to check if all the numbers are present or not. The number that is present, we shall mark it as present, otherwise it shall remain not present. So that's it. That is the simple brute force approach. We have created a Boolean array for each integer in array. The integers are 1 indexed, but our array is from 0 to n minus 1. So we shall subtract 1 from I and mark it as true. Now we shall check which number is not marked as present, that we have to return. So from 0 to n we will check if it is not present, then we shall just return that number. Otherwise we shall return -1. This case will never execute in this question, but still we have to return something. So this was the simple brute force solution. But if we see the constraints, our question expects us to do it in on time. That is fine for our solution, but O1 space. We are using on of a space, right? So how to optimize this? The solution is correct, but the thing here is optimization. So for that, the trick that we will use here is XOR. It is a widely used trick for competitive questions. XOR is a very tricky operator. Main trick for XOR is that XOR of same numbers is always 0. So if you do 1 XOR 1, it's 0. If you do 5 XOR 5, it's 0. And if you XOR any number with 0, it is the number itself. 5 XOR 0 is 5. So this is the trick of XOR operator. Now how shall we use that trick to find the missing number here? So we know that if we have same numbers, the XOR is 0. So how about we take another array with all 1 to n numbers and this array and XOR all the numbers. So each number will come twice, right? And the missing number will only come one time. So all the numbers that came twice will result in 0, while the missing number will be remaining. So this is the trick that we will use in this question. That is, we will have our array and we will have all the numbers from 1 to n. We will XOR all the numbers. So finally, everything that comes twice will be equal to 0, and the missing number that comes only one time will be left. So this is the XOR trick. Moving to the solution is very easy. We have taken a variable XOR which is initially 0. We have XORed all the numbers of the array, and finally we have XORed 1 to n all the numbers. So all the numbers coming twice will be 0, and finally we will be having the missing number that comes only one time, that will be left in our XOR, and we have returned that. So this was the simple solution for this question. I hope you guys would have got the XOR trick. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.